Navigating in your Revit model has never been easier. This new Fly Mode feature lets you explore your model in a perspective view. To start the Fly Mode, just press the button, which looks like a paper airplane, on the navigation bar on the right side of the screen. You can also hold down the right mouse button to enter the mode. You will see the mouse cursor change, and you can use the mouse to look throughout the model. Travel through your model, change direction, look around, and move up and down with keyboard shortcuts. Use the middle mouse scroll wheel to adjust the speed with which you move in Fly Mode and keep track of the current speed in the status bar. The look around behavior enables you to move from side to side as if you were turning your head. To stop flying, press Escape or press the Fly Mode icon in the navigation bar.